Excuse me. It's a beautiful, beautiful, lovely early spring day, April 3rd, Sunday, April 3rd, 2022. Uptown Normal. What you got going on, bud? Well, glad you asked. We're going to go check out the world premiere of Rainy Daze 3, Rehydrated, in Owen Shelton Films production, premiering at the Normal Theater, 1:30 in the afternoon. I better hustle, no bustle, no tussle, just get there, man. Wondering if this shirt is making me look fat, but it might just be my face. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Herky jerky, bro. There's the filmmaker. Is that your Call of the Wild? Are you excited?
Yes.
How do you know I'm doing this? What do you think of the Strawberry Mansion film?
It actually looks kind of good, honestly.
Yeah, I wouldn't mind seeing it. Hi, Robin. How you doing?
I think it's done playing.
Oh. World premiere. Action-packed. Shall I go in and use the...
Yeah, you can go in and go to the bathroom.
What's that?
Strawberry Mansion's supposed to be good?
Well, I don't know.
Very indie film.
I just don't know much about it. Into the Normal Theater. There's a handsome young man.
Jeremiah, say hello to Uncle Bruce.
Hey,